So we're keeping that as a basic. We need to put the amount we want to trade. So for example, $100, and we go for a call option. So you can see $170 if the above rate, so 73%, and if it's unsuccessful trade, you will get back $5. Okay, so we click on apply. Okay, so we have low volatility here. We can try some different timing. You know, this is not a good time of the day because the volatility, the volumes are low, and you know, it's not always available. So it's always better to trade when all the sessions are opened. So for example, when the European and American session open, and now when Australian session will be opening, there will be much more volumes trading, and these options will be available. So can you see that I cannot choose it? You know, you can start with different timing, but usually it's available all the time, guys. It's only because all the markets are closed now. You can see that even the Euro-US dollar going up and down, nothing much happening. So I hope you got the point. Now I will allow you for questions before we move further. Let me know what is on your mind, what you want to know, okay? And afterwards we will continue with the technical and fundamental analysis. And finally, we'll leave our strategy for the last moment. Okay, Marcia, good question. One touch. One touch is another type of option. Currently, okay, so we will do an example with one touch. So you can see this line, there is a price line which we are targeting. So what we're making a prediction that the price not will be higher or lower, but we're making a prediction that the price will touch the certain level. It only needs to touch it once. So it doesn't matter whether we break it or just touches and bounces back. We need it to touch it at least once, okay? And that's it. We made money. We are in profit. So only one touch will work. Now, for example, I don't know, we can try with something. Okay, you can see here, make sure guys, you know that 1 unit is $50, okay? So you choose the how many units you want to trade, so €50 or $50 according to your account. Now, also the expiry time, it's already set. So you can see you will have expiry times there, but the percentage is very high. It's 400% return here. Now, for example, okay, let's see Apple. Let's try to predict that the Apple will go up. Okay, 450% return. We go with 1 unit. So up, apply. Okay, apply it. Okay, Nasdaq 1. I think the option is suspended because the low volumes as well. Let's try again. But it's a very, very interesting option, and it allows you to trade for longer time frame as well, guys. Don't forget, you can see 15 hours. So if you like, you know, longer term trends, it's also a good idea. So you can see that with a bigger amount in bigger capital in your accounts, you can use different strategies simultaneously. You can use some capital for short-term trading, and you can use another, another part of capital for longer-term trading. But I hope you get this point how it works. The price has to touch it only once during this period of time. So after the expiry, if the price touches it, or before expiry, if you know, as soon as the price touches the price, the option will expire. If it not touches the price through all this time, you will have a losing trade. When start trading session? Ivan, what you have to do is just a trading session. You can type a trading session calendar, and you will easily find it. Maybe we can find it now here on the investing.com. It's a very good site for these kind of news. I'm using economic calendar, and we will go through that. Okay, I cannot find it, but I used to have it somewhere. You can see there is a lot of tools like calendars, economic holiday, earnings Canada. You can also use the Forex correlation, which is very also a good tool. Okay, so you can try that as well. Forex correlation, but you have to study a little bit about correlations. But now we will be interested in the economic calendar, and we'll explain it. But just type in Google Forex sessions, and you will see when sessions are opening. Okay, I will show you now the trading session on the ebook that will be offered, guys, shortly. So I want to show you on now on my side here. Just give me a second. By the way, guys, we have a very nice educational tutorials with some strategies in it for you that will be available for you to download. So whoever, guys, still did not join Amber Options, you will find it with us here. So let me just finish up. I want to show you the sessions. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so trading session. What is the best time for trading? Now, here you find explanation what actually is good time for trading, Asian, European. What are these? All explained. Now, these are the actual times. As you can see, so this is the best time for binary options based in London. So you can see that it's in this picture. So you can follow that, and you can find this calendar as well online. In our book as well, we have described when is actually the best days of the week for trading, what is the best times for trading. So everything is explained, what happening in particular days of the week, when the trend continues to move, when the trend is reversing. So everything this is explained in this book. So we have a lot of very interesting information here. So you go, and everything is explained in details, really, guys. Very interesting. So if you want to get the copy of that, get a hold of that. We would meet you inside, and you will have definitely to have a look at this book. So now let's move back. Okay, I'm just going quickly through the questions and we will continue, guys. One sec. Okay, guys, can you hear me now? Okay, sorry, we have some problems on this on the sound. Sorry, I just fixed it. So my apologies for that. So now where did I stop? Because I did not actually find where. What was the last thing I was talking about, guys? Please remind me. Okay, now if you didn't get the answer to my questions, okay, just write it down again, please. Okay, I'm sorry about the sound problem. Okay, where do we get the book? Okay, the book, it will be available. It should be available shortly, or for those guys who made a deposit already. So you have to meet a certain requirement to get the book, because it was a hard work of a team of professionals to get it all done, to get it all sorted. There's a lot of very interesting, very useful information that people got from the years of experience. So it will be available only for those who made a deposit already. Okay, guys, you will be informed, okay, where to get the book. Okay, now let's actually go further. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna explain you a little bit about the technical and fundamentals. So we are gonna talk about the strategy now, and let's see how it's working in action actually. Okay, the strategy itself I'm presenting you is pretty simple. Okay, it's pretty simple, but it's powerful. You know, everything that is too complicated should not be used, because you will make mistakes when the strategy is over complicated with the too many criteria. It's a failure, because it's very hard to follow all the rules. You will be making mistakes simply because you just cannot, you know, cannot follow well all of it. So more simple strategy tends to be more profitable. But we are using a money management, very interesting money management approach, okay, together with our strategies. Now, no